guys, thanks for watching our renovation show with Shelly and Kyle. I hope you're enjoying getting to see them renovate their house. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any of our episodes throughout these next couple months, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that bell button so you're notified when we post another episode. Again, thanks so much for the support and hope you enjoy it.
All right, everybody, we're back at Highland Road. Hey, Shelly.
Hey.
So it's been, what, almost a week?
6 days.
Six
Today's
days.
6 days since we bought the house.
Since you bought the house. Okay, so tell me what y'all have done so far.
So it doesn't look like much, but we have decided to tear the outside apart. So we've cleared out all in front of the house. We've begun to clear out all along the side of the house that you're filming towards the front gate. To your left, we've cleared out, directly to your left, we've cleared out a ton of bushes. And we've begun to pressure wash this side of the house. And in the back, we've torn down 4 huge trees and probably a 1/4 acre of landscaping.
Wow.
So right now, this afternoon, all of this is coming down. We're getting rid of all the railroad, like little
Ties.
railroad ties. All of those are coming out. Every plant in here besides these big trees are coming out, and that's Kyle's next task.
All right, Kyle.
Hit it.
Have you ever been on one of these things before?
Never. First timer.
Your first timer?
First timer. Long time watcher, first time user. It's joysticks. I played a lot of Atari when I was a kid, and so it's one of those things where how difficult could it be, right?
Yeah.
We don't know. We're gonna find out today. They did make me sign a waiver in case I died, which
Sure.
I thought, how about being a little optimistic,
Yeah.
But I feel like it's going to be a good deal.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
How long have you been on this thing?
15 seconds.
Oh, 15 seconds. Okay. All
Yep.
right. So we're gonna watch you work a little bit, and
Sure. We're going to figure out how to start it. We're going to go from there.
okay. Oh, can I come?
Yes, we're gonna get a bag of crawfish.
That's awesome.
That's it.
What are y'all gonna do in there?
I think I'm gonna line it with stones. I haven't decided what kind yet, like big ones. We are gonna keep a circle in here.
Okay.
It'll probably be a smaller circle, and it'll just be natural like mulch and these 2 trees.
Okay.
Yeah, this is gonna be very simple.
Okay.
We're gonna kind of simplify the landscape so you see the front of the house.
Let's go take a look at the back.
Perfect. So we've begun to clear out the back. This is one of 3 piles from this area right here to your left. It was a jungle. From here to those crepe myrtles behind the treehouse was nothing but covered plants and trees. And so we leveled that today. This water oak right in front of us, we're actually looking at contractors now to take that water oak down because it's dangerous. We don't want it to fall on the house. These 2 live oaks will stay, and this crepe myrtle behind us will stay. The rest will be gone.
Okay.
We've taken down 2 huge pine trees already in the back. And then we're gonna take down 1 cypress in the back that got hit. It was a casualty as one of the pines came down. And we're gonna take down the 2 center pines that are leaning. One's leaning to the right and one's leaning to the left.
Yeah.
And then all the back will be all cypress, 1 pine, and 1 huge red oak in the very, very back.
Oh, that's
And
gonna be nice.
we will continue to kill all of the vegetation
Yeah.
up to the bayou and build a dock
Oh, okay.
out over that bayou.
Are y'all gonna do any kind of fencing or anything back
No
there?
fencing.
No fencing.
No fencing. We'll make it natural, and we'll end up reseeding it. Once it's all done, at the very end, we'll reseed it so natural grass grows.
And that's all the fence that was back
That was
there?
all the fence that he took down. So he's done some work.
Oh, he did that today?
He did that at one point this week. I don't know which day.
Yeah. So this is more tear out over here.
Yep. We'll continue. We have more to go.
These trees are so pretty.
That fence around the pool will come down as well.
Oh, really?
Yep, I'm gonna end up tearing it down. I realized I don't need it.
Oh, yeah. Because your kids can swim, I think.
Yep, they can swim. So we'll transplant the rose bushes, and then we'll clear all that out and extend the brick back.
And y'all pressure wash the whole out there.
Slowly started. So I gotta keep going on that.
Do you have one of those disc things?
I do. This doesn't work as well in the grout of the brick.
Oh.
It does good on concrete. With the brick, you kind of have to get in there, you know?
Yeah. But yeah, all this looks a ton better. You've already pressure washed all of that.
This, you know, this is all coming down. This house.
Oh, this whole house is coming out?
Well, so Kyle's gonna do this. And Kyle, I'll call you in. He's gonna actually do this with his friends. He wants to do the demo. So from this seam forward will all come down. That'll probably come down this week.
Oh, wow.
And then the back seam on will come down, and then all this landscaping, we've already sprayed it. It'll be killed. I'm just gonna put white rocks along the brick. That's gonna be our workout, like little workout house.
Okay.
So it'll be a brick deck.
And this has all been pressure washed. This looks a ton better.
You can walk on it without slipping.
Yeah. In the back. And you've been working on the pool area, you said?
Started that. This is right before you came. I started that portion.
That pool is nasty.
It will be about a week. Give me a week. That pool will be all good and blue. I'm gonna drain it. After we pressure wash, I'm gonna drain it.
Okay, so in the next week, plans
We'll
are
have-
to pull down part of that building.
Pull down the building, all the awnings, clean the roof, redo the pool.
And demo should start.
Yeah, demo of the interior walls should start, and the front porch.
Ooh, it's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, we got to get all the floor ordered. Yep.
Awesome. All right, well,
Yep.
we'll see you next week then.
Well, that's a wrap for another episode of our renovation show. We'll be getting you more content soon. Just wanted to remind you that I am Jen Burns with eXp Realty. I service the greater Baton Rouge area. So if you're looking to buy your first home or your forever home, please let me know. Reach out to me on social media through Instagram or Facebook, or you can always go the traditional methods of call, text, or email. My direct number is 225-907-3305. I would be happy to discuss your real estate needs and see how I can help. Again, thanks so much for watching our show, and hope to see you soon.